Max International is pioneering a new market segment in anti-aging and sports performance. Our products are centered around optimizing a critical protein in the body called glutathione. This substance is manufactured by the body and found in every single cell, and it's as important to your health as oxygen, food, or water to survive. In fact, glutathione's role in the body is so critical that researchers have spent decades understanding its role and searching for ways to increase your body's production of this life-giving protein. To illustrate its importance relative to other well-known supplements, visit PubMed.org. This is the U.S. Library of Congress website for research on health and nutrition. There you can do a search of the most well-known nutritional supplements on the market today. Let's take vitamin C, for example. You'll find 45,000 articles on its role in the body. Vitamin E has 32,000 articles. Most recently, there's been a boom in the antioxidant juice market, with the acai berry as the most well-known. PubMed.org shows 32 articles for the acai berry. Today, if you were being presented with an opportunity to bring these products to market, that opportunity would be small, since everyone knows about these substances and they're available any and everywhere. Glutathione, on the other hand, is virtually unheard of, and yet there are 93,000 clinical articles on the role of glutathione in the body. It's called the defender of the cell, critical in detoxification, energy production, and controlling inflammation in the body. And yet nobody has heard about it, which makes for a huge opportunity. And Max International owns the elite technology to raise glutathione almost 300%. There is no other nutritional product or pharmaceutical that can make that claim. We own 25 years of research by renowned researcher Dr. Herbert Nagasawa, with 24 patents and patents pending, 18 peer-reviewed articles funded by the National Institutes of Health and the Veterans Administration, and Ribosine, our patented technology, has cornered the market on glutathione production. It is proprietary to Max and only available through a Max associate. Simply put, raising glutathione is the most important thing you can do to impact your health, and that is validated by decades of research. And by sharing the Max products and showing the plan, you can capture a piece of the global distribution rights of this amazing breakthrough.